Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Mommy Mai. We love you.
Happy birthday, Mommy Mai.
I love you.
I love you. Miss you.
Oh, very. Mag-greet daw sa imo kay birthday mo. 65 years old ka na gali. Kamusta ka dira? Happy birthday po. Tani, tagaan ka pa sa malawig nga kinabuhi. Wish ko lang na maayo ang imong lawas sa adlaw-adlaw nga tanan. Kag, madamo pa nga birthday maselebrar mo. Auntie, makadto ka diri sa amon, pasyal ka, kila Juben, kila Pedro. Hinahulat ka diri namon. Enjoy ka gi, dabang baskog ka pa. Kahit kung may sakit ka, hindi mo na ma-enjoy. Auntie, happy birthday. Ikaw ang auntie namon, hindi na ako malimtan. Kaya nga gimbulig mo sa amon, alisang gagmay kami. Ang banding mo sa amon, lalo na pag Christmas party sa DSBP, hindi na namon malimtan. So, may mga bata kami, kung ano man ang nabulig mo sa amon, hindi gina namon malimtan. Happy birthday, auntie. Salamat sa tanan nga pagbulig. Thank you, auntie. May God bless you and happy birthday. I love you, auntie. Bye.
For all of us here in the United States.
It's wonderful here.
You count it down.
Oh,
1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to
you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Auntie. Hope you enjoy your day. Okay, I also know there's one that has a monkey in it, but I mean, no, just go. Bye. Have a wonderful time. Happy birthday, Keith and Maya. Hope you have a wonderful day. I'm gonna say happy birthday now.
Go.
Wait,
Try.
is this recording?
Yeah.
It's recording.
Not yet. Okay, ready?
Birthday ng Maya.
Hi, Mang Maya. Happy birthday. May you have many more birthdays in the years to come. God bless you always.
Happy birthday, Lola Maya. Happy birthday, Lola Maya.
Happy birthday, Lola Maya. Happy birthday, Mami Mai. Oh, go.
Happy birthday, Mami Mai! Happy birthday, Mami Mai!
Happy birthday, Ate Maya.
Hello, Auntie! Happy birthday! Stay healthy! Salamat gid Auntie sa tanan-tanan nga mga support kay ginhatag mo sa amon kag sa imo nga mga guidance. Happy birthday, Auntie! Love you!
1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday!
Mami Mai.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Mami Mai. We love you and we miss you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Madam, from the city of rain, Bergen, Norway. Hi, God bless you.
God bless you.
Hi. Say hi. Hi.
Hi.
Hi, Tita. Happy birthday. I wish you the very best this year. I hope that everything is fine for you, and I hope that you will be blessed to have a good health. All the best for you this year, and I'm hoping that you always be happy, and most of all, you will be always in good health. We are here for you, okay? Love you. Once again, happy birthday.
Wish you a good health and we love you. Bye. Happy birthday.
Here's my message. Whatever with the past has gone, the best is always yet to come. Happiest birthday, Auntie Mai. I wish you a day filled with great joy, warmest love, and healthy long life. May God bless you always. Love, Vanessa.
Happy birthday, Mommy Mai! We love you! Happy birthday, Mommy Mai! We love you! Happy birthday, Mommy Mai! We love you!
Ang susunod na programa ay rated G. Ito ay pwede sa lahat ng manonood.
Wala ka nang maintindihan kung wala ka nang makapitan. Kapit ka sa akin, kumapit ka sa akin at hindi kita binitawan. Thank you. Thank you. Di na si Mukmukman? Ma! Muk din kalin. Saraya. Belaan mo ka napit sa tlad. February 11. Birthday mo! Happy birthday! Thanks! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Mommy Mai! We love you! Happy birthday, Mommy Mai!
Birthday mo na ngayon. Happy birthday. Ang wish ko sa iyo is good health, safety, blissful, and blessed life. Sana magkita tayo pag magpunta ka sa Cotabato. Enjoy your birthday. Miss na kita. Happy birthday, Maya.
Hello, Ate Mai. Happy birthday. Enjoy your day.
Blow out.
Long live Ate Mai.
Cheers. You're 65.
Enjoy this ground, ma.
Yung aming blowout, ipa-ATM mo lang ang DDP sa account nila. Ha? Lahat hindi makakamanod. Bakit?
Hindi mo payroll. Ang pangalan ng payroll.
Ganon? O ipadala ko sa aming ATM card ko, ha? Magsabi ka.
Happy birthday, Ate Mai.
Ilabi mo kay Sir Bagan. Kilala niya lang si ano, no? Kilala niya si Norbert. Okay,
Happy
birthday to you.
Happy birthday
Sir Bob.